Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will going to show you how to enable very unique features in Windows called God Mode. That gives you quick and easy access to your control panel all settings. Basically, God Mode is a dedicated folder where you will find all your control panel key settings by single click. So let's look at how to set up God Mode in Windows 10. So if you want to open our control panel, this is our traditional control panel. Here you will find all the settings. It's not so hard to use, but sometimes we may confused where to find some of the options. But it will be very easy for us if you could take all these functions and put them into a folder. So this folder is called God Mode. So how will do it? Let's see. For that I have to close this control panel and right click on the desktop and click on new and then click on folder. Then you will find new folder. It's already been created. So you have to right click on it and rename this folder. In folder name you need to type very long string. Rather than trying to type, you can just copy this from the video description down below. So I have already written it in my notepad. So from there you have to just copy this link and rename this folder and paste it and click on outside. Then you will find God Mode. Double click on the icon to open it. Here you will find God Mode will be open. So from here you will find all the tools in single folder. Suppose in administrative tool, autoplay, backup and restore, BitLock type, this is credential manager, date and time, default program, device and printer, display. All these settings you will get from the single folder. To run a specific command, double click on that. So from here you have to add. You can remove any installed software from here. You can adjust your sound system volume also from here. User account, you can create new user account from here. You need to just double click on that. So you can always delete it if you don't want it in your computer. So for that you need to just click on that and delete this. So this is how you can enable God Mode in Windows 10. So if you think this video is helpful, I have many more videos like this in my channel. So please do subscribe and share it with others. Thank you.